Funke Akindele rescued veteran actor Pat James from his ordeal. Welcome to HTV. Kindly subscribe to our channel. Popular Nollywood actress Jennifer just came to Pat James' rescue. Pat James is well-known actor for his comedy who has made a lot of Nigerian childhood interesting with a TV reality show known as Papa Ajasco. No doubt these guys are funny. The good news is Funke Akindele just gifted him an apartment after his house in Oke, Isagun in Lagos was affected by the recent flooding in Lagos. Sometimes it's hard to believe that we still have good government or a government in this country. Pat James cried out for help after dirty water got into his house. Due to the flooding, all of his belongings were soaked and maybe gotten bad. Funke Akindele came to his rescue by giving him an apartment. Jennifer never made this known. Confirming her generosity, actress Oluwakemi Adetoro Ojo made the post on her Instagram showing her excitement and being thankful to Funke, also saying her type is rare to find. Of course it is. Funke's reactions to her post was an emoji love sign and a kiss. Yes, this is happening for the second time. Yes, Funke came to his rescue. With that being said, Pat James is also gifted a plot of land by Adekunle Ajayi. Ajayi is the CEO of Palmview Estate in Lagos in Phase 1. In his post, I repeat, he's not paying a dime, it is free, Ajayi said in his post. Of course, it's a double blessing for Pat James.
What's this? Oh, I have a scar now. Have you forgotten?
And you're making up your face.
Toby, I'm making up my face. Wait. If I put my face beside the scar, that's the scar face! I'm actually chilling on the grass waiting for. What are you holding?
A can.
Put the can beside the grass. Referring to a Nancy! Guy, come give me my diary, Joe. Don't you know who I am?
Jennifer.
Jennifer. And I have my diary on my chest. That's Jennifer's diary!